Repetition does not transform a lie into a truth. We have nothing to fear but missing our massage appointment time. Let us never forget that the government is ourselves and not an alien power over us. The ultimate rulers of our democracy are not a president and senators and congressmen and government officials, but the voters of this country. When peace has been broken anywhere, the peace of all countries is in danger. Freedom of conscience, of education, of speech, of assembly, are among the very fundamentals of democracy. And all of them would be nullified, should freedom of the press ever be successfully challenged. No democracy can long survive, which does not accept, as fundamental to its very existence, the recognition of the rights of minorities. The real safeguard of democracy is education. Nobody will ever deprive the American people of the right to vote except the American people themselves, and the only way they could do this is by not voting. We must especially beware of that small group of selfish men who would clip the wings of the American eagle in order to feather their own nests. No man can tame a tiger into a kitten by stroking it. Freedom means the supremacy of human rights everywhere. Our support goes to those who struggle to gain those rights or keep them. When you see a rattlesnake poised to strike, you do not wait until he has struck to crush him. The motto of war is, "Let the strong survive, let the weak die." The motto of peace is, "Let the strong help the weak to survive." Do the best you can do, and wait the results in peace. No country, however rich, can afford the waste of its human resources. Demoralization, caused by vast unemployment, is our greatest extravagance. Morally, it is the greatest menace to our social order. If you have spent 2 years in bed trying to wiggle your big toe, everything else seems easy. That is the spiral galaxy in Andromeda. It is as large as our Milky Way. It is one of 100 million galaxies. It consists of 100 billion suns. Now I think we are small enough. I pledge myself to a new deal for the American people. Almighty God, our sons, pride of our nation, this day have set upon a mighty endeavor, a struggle to preserve our republic, our religion, and our civilization, and to set free a suffering humanity. Necessitous men are not free men.